Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Southern and today I am going to demonstrate an app called Popplet Lite. I'm using an iPad right now, but it's also on iPhone or iPod. You want to start off by going to the App Store and downloading it. I already have it popped up, but what you would do is you'd go to the search box and go ahead, type it in, Popplet Lite. It's the first one, click on it. And ta-da! I already downloaded it, so all you have to do is open it up, and here's what you get. Now this app is used for creating an electric way of doing a web. So if you wanted to brainstorm or create a way of organizing ideas, this is the way you could do it. You could have opportunity to model it to your students, or you could have your students do it themselves if they were working on different essays or maybe narrative text. It's very flexible. So how to start off is you double click on the screen and it creates a box for you. What we're going to do for the demonstration is we're going to talk about ways or reasons why you should have a classroom pet. So type that in, classroom pet. Okay, and there's different ways you could see the font. There's small down here, medium, or large. We want ours big, so we're gonna leave it that way. Down here, you can align the text in any way you want. So if you go back, you see if it's too small. These black arrows on this side adjust, and so does your box. And these buttons down here do cool things. This one can change the color of the box. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Here's a great way. If you accidentally touch the screen and pops in a box, all you have to do is click this X in the corner, hit it, and you either can cancel or delete. I'm going to delete. Okay, let's try it again. So this T over here, you can edit the text. This little pen button, you could draw if you wanted to. Let's say I want to draw a snowman just for kicks. There we go. Look at our snowman. Let's say you screwed up on your drawing and you don't want it there. You can click the same tool and it says clear drawing. You can just then adjust how you want to be the size. This button right here allows you to include a picture if you really want to. We're not going to do it right now, we're going to do that later, so just click out of it. Okay, so we have our classroom pet, and let's say we want to brainstorm reasons as to why we should have one. Click on this box. You can see 4 white dots. That is a tool, so if you drag it, it connects to a different box if you want. So this could be our reason. One reason is that it will unify the classroom. So you can say unity. There you go, and ta-da, you got your second box. Another way to create a box is just by clicking a random spot, and there you have a box. But let's say you don't want this box to be just by itself. Again, grab a white dot, pull it over, and you got it there. So just for practice, create a lot. You see how this web is going off the screen? A great tool to use is this one up here. It says view all. Just press that and all of a sudden it zooms up on your project. So when you're all done, it will look spectacular. Yeah. So if you made a mistake, you can also hit clear all. And the settings button, you can make a new popple, paste popple. So these boxes are called popples. You can select any popples you want. This button up here, you can change your background color if you want. Let's say I want a green. There we have it. When you're all said and done, you can go ahead and export it by pressing this button up here. So you can't save the web to the actual app, but there's other ways to save it. You can have it emailed to you, you could save it as a picture, or you could have it emailed as a picture. There's lots of options. I'm going to show you my finished product that I saved as a picture. I'm going to go ahead and open up the photos. Here's mine. You can see that here's our main idea. And there is a small picture. It could be based off a book, or you could take a picture of anything, really. This box over here has my beautiful drawing. So, main idea, 4 reasons, and supporting detail. And that's something that you can do. This app is great because it ties into a lot of literacy standards. One that I found was for 3rd grade. It's Writing Standard 1, and it says, write opinion pieces on topics or texts supporting a point of view with reasons. So we're supporting our point of view, having a classroom pet with all these different reasons. Also, under A it says, introduce the topic or text they are writing about, state an opinion, and create an organizational structure that lists reasons. This is a great organizational tool, like I said, that you could either use to model for the students for student consumption, or you could have the students actually create their own for organizational purposes. And they can email it to you, email it to themselves, or save it as a picture. This is a great tool, like I said. You can use it not only in literacy, but in other subjects. Science, if you want to help brainstorm and get the juices flowing. And some of the ideas that I came up with, you can help students recognize main ideas in things that you read together as a class, and help them recognize supporting details. You could teach them about themes or elements of plot structure, but basically it's a great tool to brainstorm. I strongly recommend Popplet Lite. Feel free to go and download it. It's a great tool to use in the classroom. Thanks for listening. Hope you use it.